Cooking for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rocky road. For my batch of rocky road, we'll need 200 grams of milk chocolate, 100 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 100 grams of mini marshmallows, and 100 grams of rich tea biscuits and a pinch of salt. First, we're going to add 200 grams of chocolate all broken up. So that's the chocolate weighed out, and a little bit left for later. Now we need to put in 100 grams of butter. Now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of golden syrup in the bowl. We've got 100 grams of rich tea biscuits, and now we're going to break them up into small pieces. Here's Johnny! Top tip, put your biscuits in a sealed bag and break them with the end of the rolling pin. Now we're going to measure out 100 grams of mini marshmallows. Top tip, put your marshmallows into the biscuit bag, seal and shake. Cha-la-la-la-la-la, 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 cha-la. Now I'm going to empty the mixed marshmallow and biscuit into this bowl. Ooh. Gently heat the chocolate in a bain-marie until silky smooth. Keep going until everything's melted. Pour the chocolate over the other ingredients and mix. Keep an eye out for small children who might be tempted to lick out of the bowl. Now that everything is mixed well together, we're going to spread it out on this baking tray. Put the rocky road in the fridge for 1 hour and consume. Yum, yum, get in my tum.